Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So you can see one program in this screen, okay? And I guarantee that 99.9% of developer give the output as wrong for this program, okay? Many of you maybe think that output will be like 1, 2, 3 and done. But believe me friends, that is not the correct output. The correct output is different. Let me show you what is the correct output here. Okay, let me run this program. So you can see the correct output is done 1, 2 and 3. Why this is the output? Why the output is not like 1, then 2, then 3 and then done? Why the output is not like that? You know the reason behind this? Okay, let's discuss this. Okay, let's discuss this. So here we are having one array, const array 1 2 3, and we are having for each loop here. Inside that we have await, and there is one promise. Okay, and then we are having the console.log num, and then we are having the console.log done. Correct. So whenever this for each loop will execute, so there is await. So await, what await does actually, it pauses the current function. It pauses the current function only. Okay, so here in this case await will pause the current function, but it will not pause the for each loop. So even though it will wait for this promise to be executed, but for each loop will keep continue executing. Okay, so that's why let's say for the first time this one a callback has been come here, and then it will wait, because of the await it will wait. Callback for one will be await. Okay, but for each will not like wait here, it will keep continue. Then next statement will two will come here, that for callback for two will be await. Then again for each loop will run, and then for three again it will wait for the callback of 3. Okay, so all 1 2 3 all callbacks are now in waiting state, but our callback, our for each loop has been finished. Okay, so as soon as for each loop has been finished, it will continue execute the next statement. And what is the next statement is here, this is done. Okay, so this is still on waiting, but the current this console.log will get executed. That's why the first output is like done. And let's say after 1000 milliseconds that callbacks are resolved for the 1 2 and 3, so it will print like 1 2 3. Correct. So that's why our output is like done 1 2 3. So here the most important interview question come from this example is like, why await does not work properly inside the for each loop. Okay, so this is the answer friends, because in for each loop will not pause because of await just pause the current function only, not the for each loop. So this is the answer for this interview question. Okay, now if we want like if you want to run this code and we want the output like this 1 2 3 and done. Okay, so what we need to do, what changes we need to do? So we need to do one more change. Instead of for each loop we can use simple for of loop here. Okay, so let me write that for of loop. You might know the syntax for this. This is let num of arr. Okay, and there is one extra bracket, we will remove this. Now if we will run this program, so we will get the output like this only. Let me run this. Okay, so see, one started printing, two, three, and then done. So this is the solution for that problem. Okay, So you must prepare this interview question. In many of the interview, it is definitely asked like why await does not work properly inside the for each loop. It will be helpful for you. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you like this, please subscribe, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching.